unwind and take in the simple pleasures of what life has to offer on this beautiful island, you gear up for the next work week. I'm sure some of you wished the weekend could be longer. If you do, we have a great place for you to relax and meditate while you take in the rich visual heritage of our country. This week on the Arts Page, we take you to the family-friendly National Gallery, the new it place to be on a Sunday.
The whole purpose of the National Gallery really is to serve the public.
And that's exactly what the National Gallery of Jamaica has been doing since 1974. As the largest public art gallery and museum in the English-speaking Caribbean, the National Gallery showcases the length and breadth of the Jamaican art scene. It holds over 1,800 pieces of art, such as paintings, drawings, sculptures, ceramics, photography, and video art. Even though the NGJ has been the quintessential art gallery in the island, persons could only feast their eyes on the works of art displayed there from Tuesdays through to Saturdays. That is, until now.
We have been very much aware of the schedules of everyone.
With persons going to work during the week and running errands on Saturdays, the operators of the National Gallery have found a way for patrons to come at their own convenience. With Sunday openings, persons need not fear that Sunday openings will be more expensive than other days.
The admission for our Sunday openings right now is $400, which is our standard admission for adults. We don't charge entry fee for students or children. But on Sunday, and this is a special thing about our Sunday openings, tours, which normally have a fee attached to them, are free.
Currently, the gallery is opened on the last Sunday of every month, and visitors have been expressing their pleasure.
I came on a Sunday. I have some good friends who brought me down here, and I really came down here to see the Huey paintings.
Oh, I think that's great because a lot of people would otherwise not been able to come to see it, to even speak. They wouldn't have the time during the course of the week as they work, and so it gives, and the traffic is off the road mostly. So Sunday opening, I think, is great for this sort of thing.
I'm here today because I support the opening of the gallery on Sundays. I think it's a great idea. More people can come and more people can have access to the gallery than if it's only open during the weekdays.
You can come to the National Gallery and hang out with your friends, and we're open from 11 to 4. And the reason we did that is to accommodate people who are going to church. We vary things. We have approximately between 4 and 6 exhibitions per year, so it's always something different. And we love kids here, so bring your kids along.
This has been the Arts Page.